Request library. Missing SSL handshake certificates file after CX. I'm building an application in Python 3.3 which uses the request library. When I try to get a URL with SSL connection, I want to verify it with verify equals true. This works perfectly when running my Python scripts. When I freeze the same scripts, it crashes. It misses something, and I really can't figure out how to integrate it in my frozen application. I get the following error, which also triggers other errors, but I don't post them here. It seems that some errors is missing. There is a file called cassert.pym in the request library, but I don't know if this is the missing file and how to import it since it seems to be not integrated into my final frozen package.
Looking at the request source, it seems you can pass the path to the cassert.pym file as verify equals path, instead of verify equals true. So you don't need to modify requests for it to work. You can pass the path of a file to include in the include files parameter of the cx/freeze options, docs. You can find the path from requests, so something like this should work in the setup.py you used to freeze it.
As Thomas K. said, you need to include a CA certificates file if you enable verification. However, I found that at least for me, requests will look for install path /library.zip/cassert.pym which will fail. I solved it by copying the cassert.pym as described and specified its path directly when performing a request.
You can also use environment variable request_c_bundle has said this URL. It's much simpler than correct all your requests.
If you want to support the channel, please indicate liking and subscribing.